We are Iowa's most accurate forecast.
Weather-wise, it is a busy Thursday morning, a complicated forecast over the next couple of days, and it's due in part to a warm front coming into the state, a big area of low pressure, and swirling or rotating areas of showers and storms. Today we're going to see a big temperature split depending on where you are. In Des Moines, we will be right on the edge of that warm front, 71 degrees. It'll be even warmer in southern Iowa with mid to upper 70s, but farther to the north, not as fortunate, 50s for highs, especially north of Highway 20. And with this warm front and the big area of low pressure comes gusty winds. It starts today around 20 to 25 miles per hour early on, and then late afternoon and into the evening, the gusts will crank up even more, as high as 35 miles per hour. The strongest gusts come overnight in northern Iowa, as high as 40 miles per hour there. We are seeing rain on the radar this morning, a fairly steady band of it from Algona all the way down through Humboldt. Clarion is seeing that, and it's back through Iowa Falls, Grundy Center, Waterloo, and it is starting to get a little bit more light in Marshalltown and in the Tama area. Tiny bit of lightning as well, but no severe weather this morning. These downpours will slowly continue to pass to the north as we go through the next several hours, but the next area of rain is already developing out to our west, and this will pass through western and northwestern areas during the day today. So we'll start our Futurecast model here at 6 a.m. This wave of rain passes to the northwest of Des Moines, so that area stays pretty wet, although central Iowa could get clipped with a bit of rain right around lunchtime and into the early part of the afternoon. By late afternoon, I actually think the sun breaks through in parts of central and southern Iowa. The rest of the state will stay cloudy, but it will be drier at that time. And then by late tonight, notice 9 o'clock, storms could form in western Iowa, initially strong with maybe some hail and gusty wind. Then they start to weaken but become more widespread overnight. That round winds down so that early tomorrow morning, it's mainly over eastern Iowa, but a secondary wave of development happens tomorrow afternoon, and again, a few of those could be strong. I'm still forecasting the highest amounts to be over northern and north central Iowa. Some spots, by the time this is all said and done, could wind up with more than 3 inches of rain, but we expect lower amounts for Des Moines and southern Iowa, and again, a few strong storms are possible tonight out west and tomorrow in central Iowa during the day. Hail and damaging winds, the primary things we will watch for, but the other threats are not completely out of the question either. The high tomorrow is in the upper 60s, but then it falls later in the day. We will only see 50s this weekend for highs, and it will be breezy both days and cloudy. Next week is trending a little bit warmer.